This is our main integrated warehouse located in Jiangsu province. We maintain a permanent stock of over 500 tons of aluminum materials ready for immediate delivery. Surrounding me right now are thousands of precision aluminum solid round bars in various alloys and specifications. These fine diameter rounds range from 2mm up to 55mm, mainly in 2011, 2017, 2023, 6061, 6082, 7075 and other high-performance series. All bars are supplied with original mill certificates, precise straightness, and tight diameter tolerances suitable for high-end CNC machining and automated turning. Behind me, hexagonal bars, square bars, flat bars, plates, tubes, and large diameter rounds up to 650 millimeters. All under one roof. 500 plus tons regular inventory and on-site cutting centers ensure minimum lead time for large volume orders. Jiangsu Headquarters Warehouse. Professional aluminum stockist serving industrial clients worldwide.